Welcome back to the Trans Am rebuild. Thanks for joining in. Last episode, yanked out the drive shaft. I thought I'd order a new one. $450 for a new one. I can't afford that. So we're driving out to a junkyard that's about 30 minutes away. It's a U-Pull-It, and it's much cheaper. They have some Mustangs from around the year 2000, and apparently that is the same drive shaft length that I need to get my car going. And they're $18.50. So hopefully there's one of them that's doable and is there. They can't tell me their inventory, so well, we'll go find out and see. What's the worst we have to lose? About $20 in gas.
Turn right.
Oh boy, there's a lot of people here.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Damn. Okay, we're looking. First Mustang. No drive shaft. Crap. Second Mustang. Oh, we got one. Okay. Pretty rusted, but well, it might work. Let's go look at the other. There's another one. Let's take. Oh, it's already off. What? Cut. Winner, winner. Okay, let's go get it. There we go. We got one off. 1 hour later. Whew. This is tough. Using the breaker cheater bar. We got one. Hopefully this does it. Come on. Yes. Okay. We got two halfway home. Didn't get a lot on this one. Come on, baby. Oh. Click there. Oh, that went too. There she goes. Okay. 3. One more. Come on. It's as hot as can be. Put this back down into neutral. Spin this drive shaft. Get that about right there. And come back up. Put her in park. And repeat. Yes, it broke. All right, that's great. So that's off. Oh, got movement, I think. Yes! Oh, please. Come on. Oh, we got it. We got it. How much leakage is gonna come out of here? Hopefully not. What? Yes, sir. Thank you, 2000 Mustang. This is crazy. So I had a silver 2000 Mustang. That's the other car that I really would like to do someday. It almost looks just like this. Was not convertible, and Mine was also the GT, but same color. Pretty sweet. Thank you. Yeah, baby. Stinker. Let's heat it. Where'd my sledgehammer go? Oh, for Pete's sake. It's too late. Where'd I put it? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And a little bit of success. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm not aiming for perfection. Just trying to knock off as much of the rust flakes I can. Got a good portion of this done last night. I'm going to hit around where these actual joints are. And then we're going to spray this down, clean it up and spray it down with some rust converter. We're going to let that sit overnight. I'm going to just clean up these little joints here. I don't want to get this stuff soaking in there. Those are pretty clean. Let me clean those up, and then we'll paint this tomorrow night. All right, not too bad. Well, let's see. Just keep it out of the way. Perfect. Nice, just light coats. Man, let's paint it. Grooves out. Okay, it's in. Kind of. It doesn't. That looks okay. Took a little bit more work than I thought. A couple of shirts, sweated them out, but I think the drive shaft is complete. Now on to this. We're going to pull this off here and try to pop out that little bearing in there. Jesus. Got it. That is out. This is gummed up. Okay, let's get that out of there. All right. It's been a long day, couple of days. Here comes the moment of truth. Does this drive shaft help keep it the same or make it better or worse? It starts. A little exhaust leak. Fix that later. Oh man, I am shot. Okay, here we go. I don't know. I might not have enough transmission fluid in there. Oh, you gotta get rid of the chocks. It's idling high. Dead. There we go. Okay. Take two. Ah, it still thumps. Oh. What the hell is that then? Not good. Does not feel right. Oh. Don't feel good at all. What the hell? I can hear it. I can hear the whole transmission and everything moving. Ah. I can feel like a grind. Why am I feeling a grind? Oh yeah, bad. That's not good at all. Not all episodes are successes. Not all episodes are successes. This is a failure. You have to figure out what's going on. What are you gonna do? Out. Well, good morning. I'm not giving up yet. I forgot. Maybe it's because I did not put any kind of automatic transmission fluid on that shaft. So we're going to pull that off and take a look at that U-joint again. That didn't feel great going in. Let me jack it up and we'll try again. Update. New U-joints. Again. And I used this press tool from Harbor Freight and it made all the difference in the world. Didn't have to jam anything on, pushed it all through, super smooth. Now I'm just waiting for a new spline or yoke. I ended up replacing this one. Looking closely at it, it's all pitted and it's pretty rough and like undulated and just not great. So $40. Got new one of these coming. Hopefully is here today so we can try this out. Looking good. One tip. Do not put these in until your very last step. I learned that the hard way and almost had to buy a whole new U-joint. Luckily, I bought enough U-joints in the last few days that I had a replacement one to put on there. Okay. It's raining outside. I really don't want to drive the car out there. But I got the new axle in. Everything is lubed up. New U-joints done the right way. And you know what they say. Rain can be a sign of change. Let's try it. Please, God. Whoop. Come on. Starts nice. It's a positive. I did fix my exhaust leak. It sounds a little better. I don't even care if it thumps a little bit at all. Oh, we started it in neutral. Healthy. Fine. Just don't grind. No grinding. Please don't grind. Oh, I always forget those chocks. All right, take two. Not grinding. No grinding. That's good. That's very, very, very good. It's raining. There's change in the air. A little free car wash. End of the street and back. It's working. It is definitely better. No vibrations. Yeah! Did it! Yeah. There's still a... Let's go down the street. I got no windshield washer. Windshield. See how it feels in first gear. Feels better, I think. I hit the gas. There's a little thump. I don't know what that is. Not great. Not as first gear is way better. You know what? It could be just low on a little bit of transmission fluid, actually. Let's go check that. It could be a little low on fluid. It's been tipped up for a while. I think we got it, though. It's way, way better. Way better. Let's put this bad boy in first gear. Wake up the neighbors a little bit. Success, mildly successful, mildly successful. I like it. That is a successful episode. Like and subscribe.